dear friends, welcome back to my channel with another new recipe. Today I am going to show you how to make white sauce pasta using very simple ingredients in a very easy and a simple way. So for white sauce pasta, here I am taking 1 cup of macaroni pasta. You can take any type of pasta as you like. So first of all, for boiling the pasta, I am taking a pan and adding sufficient water to it. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt and then adding 1 tablespoon of refined oil to it. As soon as the water starts boiling, I am adding 1 bowl of pasta into it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Remember, you have to stir it occasionally, otherwise the pasta will get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Ready. After 10 minutes, see the color of the pasta has become almost transparent. I will show you the pasta. Now I will strain the pasta from this boiling water and wash it and cool it down very well using cold water so that the cooking can be stopped. After that, I am adding 1 tablespoon of refined oil so that the pastas do not stick to each other. Then keep it aside. After that, let's start making our pasta sauce. For this, I am taking another pan and adding 2 tablespoons of butter to it. You can use any oil, olive oil or refined oil also, but I would suggest not to use mustard oil here. As the butter melts, I am adding 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. As soon as the raw smell of the garlic goes away, I am adding about 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion into it and then fry them all together. Then I am adding about 300 ml of milk here. You can add about 1 tablespoon of refined flour also to make the gravy thick, but personally I prefer to cook it without refined flour and so that it can remain healthy. Add some seasoning. Here I have taken half tablespoon salt, red chili flakes and black pepper powder. After that, mix it well. Then I will add the boiled pastas into it and then mix it all well and allow the milk to thicken up along with the pastas. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and support me so that I can come up with more new such recipes. As the milk starts thickening and a creamy texture has already arrived, then I am adding half cup of cube cheese. Here I am adding mozzarella cheese. You can add whatever cheese you like. And that's it. Our white creamy sauce pasta is totally ready to be served. Here I am switching off the flame and adding some green coriander leaves for garnishing. This is totally optional, friends. You can skip it also. I'm taking out some pastas in a plate. If you like this recipe, please do try this at your home and let me know by comment if you like this dish or not. And then sprinkling some oreganos. You can add mixed herbs also and some more chili flakes. And then you can enjoy. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye bye.